Learn new things about what is car jump starter. Definition of car jump starter. Car jump starters are portable battery devices that are used for running the engine of the vehicle. By using jump starter battery we can active dead battery of car. With the help of these devices, we do not need any additional vehicle to supply power to a dead vehicle battery. Lead-acid batteries are used in jump starters. Usually, the amp ratings of the battery are from 300 Ah to 1700 Ah. If the vehicle's battery cannot run the engine, we should use the jump starter to solve the problem. For ensuring better results, we have to pay a better price. When we buy a jump starter, we need not all the accessories that are included with the jump starter. For example, flashlight or portable air compressor can consume a charge, which can damage the battery. So we need to avoid these additional accessories. Car jump starters rely on lithium technology. They can be easily stored under our seat or corner of a vehicle. They are ready to solve the problem in an emergency. As they start the engine, they can be called starter packs. Why do we use it? Portable jump starter is helpful for us when we travel to a remote location. Besides this, during traveling in any area, we can face an uncomfortable situation. Solving the unexpected battery problem, it can play a vital role. It can also be used as a backup charger to charge the phone. Generally, a jump starter device, jumper cables, device charging cord, and user manual are included. Types of jump starter. Currently, we can get various types of jump starter easily. They are portable and plug-in varieties. Portable models are built-in batteries. After using, they need to be charged. For charging, several hours may be needed. On the other side, plug-in chargers are less portable, but they need to be connected to the power outlet. How can we use a jump starter to restart our car? We should know how to jump start a dead car battery. If we know it, it will save our money and time. The driver can save more time if they have a jump starter. A pair of jumper cables are attached to portable jump starters. We can use them easily. After connecting to the terminals, we should start the jump starter as well as turn the ignition switch. If the problem is simply a dead battery, most of the vehicle will start on the first or second try. Once the car is running, disconnect the cables in reverse order. These starters can be charged by a cigarette socket, USB, or wall socket. By using power bank we can charge cars' electronics. Power bank will be useless if it is not designed with jumping a car battery. For jumping car we need 12 to 24 V or able to crank out 100 plus. Charging of jump starter. A portable car jump starter can be useful in case of having good battery. A good battery has long time charged. By using single charge it can give nice performance. If the battery is too dead, the jump starter will not much be effective. We can charge the jump starter pack in different ways. We need fully charged battery for jump. Many car battery jump starters and chargers have standard plugs. We can easily connect the plug to an electric outlet. Batteries can be charged by using electricity. Batteries can be easily charged by using an AC adapter. We can easily do this. Solar energy can also be used. We can use solar power to charge a battery jump starter. How can we do maintenance? We should keep the jump starter in a cool, dry place when it is not used. We should not keep it in a very cold place. It should be kept at charge to get the best result during the use. Many car batteries can fall randomly. It is a great problem for us. A jump starter is a device that is used to recharge a car battery to start again. By the best jump starter, we can do the job easily. What is jumper cable? Jumper cable is a pair of thick electric cables fitted with clips at either end. This cable is used for starting vehicle by connecting its dead battery to the live battery of another vehicle. Jumper cables are also known as booster cables or jump leads. How to use jumper cable? First, we have to know the position where the battery is located. Most of the time battery is located with the engine. We should park the cars close together so that we can connect both cars' batteries with jumper cable. Both cars' parts should not be touched each other's. We should be careful about that electrical current. It should be flown through the jumper cables. At the beginning of the process, powered should be off for both cars. We should observe battery terminal of the battery carefully. After that, jumper cable should be connected to the batteries. We should connect red cable to the positive terminals of both batteries. Then one end of the negative cable should be connected to the negative terminal of the live battery, and one end should be grounded. Dead battery will be charged immediately after starting the car with live battery. Sometimes dead battery will be able to start the car immediately after charging. But dead battery needs to be charged. After charging few minutes, we should try to start the car with dead battery. If we fail, we should try couple of times. After starting, we should disconnect the cables in reverse order. We should not touch before disconnecting cables. We should follow the orders below when we disconnect the cable. First, we should disconnect the negative terminal of the cable from the chassis. After that, we should disconnect the negative terminal of the cable from working battery's negative terminal. Then we should disconnect the positive terminal of the cable from the working battery's positive terminal. Finally, we should disconnect the positive terminal of the cable from the dead battery's positive terminal. How to choose right jump starter? There are different types of jump starter, for example, car jump starter, and heavy-duty jump starter. Peak amp and cranking amp play a vital role to choose right jump starter. Heavy-duty jump starters are used in trucks, industrial vehicles, construction equipment, and other heavy equipment. Cranking amp of battery jump starter. When we buy car battery jump starter, we should check cranking amps of the battery. Cranking amp is the ability of battery to start engine. Cranking amp is the amount of power that a battery can discharge for 30 seconds at 0 degrees Celsius. At the time of starting engine, we need this power in all weather except winter. Higher cranking amps of battery are better for starting engine. Peak amp of jump starter battery. We know that for jump starter battery, peak amp is the maximum amount of current that is pushed by the jump starter for cranking the engine. By this process, we can turn the starter motor in the vehicle. If any problems are caused by peak current, stable current will avoid the problem. Cold cranking amps. During winter, it is difficult to start engine due to thick oil and increased movement resistance of internal parts in the engine. As a result, we need both CA and CCA ratings for batteries. Cold cranking amps is the amp that a battery can push out for 30 seconds at 0 degree without dropping under 7.2 volts. If we buy jump starter with 500 CCA rating, it will start any vehicle with dead battery. Lithium jump starter. When we need to start our engine, we can use lithium-ion jump starter. This device is placed in car's toolbox and glove box of our car. We can use it by connecting booster cables into 12V power port one end, and other end to a car battery by using clamps identical to traditional booster cables. Difference between car battery charger and car jump starter. Though they are handy to solve problem of weak car batteries, there are differences between battery charger and jump starter. Car battery chargers are used to charge car battery. For supplying current, they need power source. Generally, they dependent on household electricity. Car battery charger is a portable charger that can restore energy to a car battery. On the other hand, jump starters have dedicated batteries, they do not need any power source. Jump starters supply instant power to car battery for starting engine. Currently jump starters have extra features, such USB port, LED flashlight. Currently jump pack is a common device in our car. It can play vital role for starting car. As it is portable, we can carry it with us. Jump starter has reverse polarity protection. It can't be damaged if the power supply polarity is reversed.